Are you part of the bandwagon that thinks Dogecoin does have an unlimited supply? Have you done your due diligence to understand what cryptocurrency actually entails and how it works? Or are you simply a bear, one who's been dealt a bad hand a lot of times by the bear market, who seeks to tarnish one of the best things that happened to cryptocurrencies come 2021? Do you talk down on what you don't understand, or do you try to understand rather than talking? Well, in this video, I will talk about the number of Dogecoins mined each year and the future supply of the cryptocurrency. Feel free to leave a comment about your thoughts on Dogecoin or cryptocurrency in general down in the comments below. Whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency investor who's not yet bullish on Dogecoin, or you're completely new to cryptocurrencies yet would like to know more about Dogecoin, stick around. Hello everybody and welcome to Crypto Lion, where we entertain and update you on all cryptocurrency related news and updates. As always, don't forget to look through the description section for some useful links. I'm leaving off a special link for our viewers to sign up on Binance and get a lifetime discount of 5% on trading fees. Only when they sign up via the link in the description. There's usually some other links as well useful from time to time, so please check out the description box when you can. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of this video and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you're new to cryptocurrency and you're looking to get your hands on in-depth yet easy to understand insights into the cryptocurrency market, all you need to do is turn on post notifications on this channel by hitting the notification bell to get daily updates on events and trends in the cryptocurrency space. And again, if you just recently keyed into the world of cryptocurrencies and you feel overwhelmed by the myriad of information you come across on a daily basis, or you'd like first-hand knowledge on every happening in the space, don't sweat it. Crypto Lion is here to guide you on the journey to make the best financial decisions when it comes to cryptocurrency-related investments and trading. Now, I know some of you are pretty invested in Dogecoin and waiting for the price to go up really high. And when that happens, you're going to sell all of that lot, and you'll be gone. Some of you would do half, like the price goes up, you profit half, and then the rest you'd keep. However, for the rest of us who are in this for the long term, who I believe are the greater majority, for those of us who are pretty much engaged in the community because we want to use it as a currency, we compare it to Bitcoin a lot. So Bitcoin, let's say you wanted to go to Starbucks and buy a cup of coffee, and the barista says that would be 0.00005 Bitcoin, please. And then you gotta wait 10 seconds for the transaction to be verified. But if you buy that cup of coffee with Dogecoin and the barista says, that would be 40 Dogecoin, please. You shrug, point your wallet at the little QR code, and your transaction is verified in seconds. Which would you rather use? It's a circulating supply, right? At least that's what we, the Dogecoin community, are thinking about for Dogecoin. But then you'll hear people say Dogecoin has an unlimited supply. And that intrigues me, to be honest. Tell you what, that's the first falsehood that I've got to clear up. Dogecoin is not unlimited in supply. There's a maximum of 5.2 billion new Dogecoins that can be created or mined each year. Now, that's a lot of coins, but not unlimited. Now, let's take a quick look at another analogy. Here's the US money supply. You'll see on this chart that we witnessed an increase in 2008 to bail out the banks during the financial crisis, which was then followed by a recession. Now look all the way over to the right, fast forward to 2020 and beyond. Now look at all the money that we've added into supply. Just so you know, this chart right here is on a percentage basis. And the last I checked, the United States just recently reinitiated the disbursement of its stimulus checks as part of the $1.9 trillion relief package. And that's not even on this chart. So this begs the question, where does all of that money come from? And is the US dollar capped? Well, it's not. Now Bitcoin has a cap, maximum number of 21 million tokens. It's no doubt that to create Dogecoin, Billy Marcus had to use the Bitcoin code. However, upon creating Dogecoin, he tweaked it so that it had more supply. The idea was to be not exactly like Dogecoin, instead to have more in circulation, so that it can be used more. So he created the Dogecoin blockchain, such as that there would be 10,000 Doges in a single block, as opposed to Bitcoin's blockchain being able to hold just 6.25 Bitcoins per block. So it's not unlimited, but capped. 10,000 Dogecoins is a cap per block, although not an overall cap on the total amount of supply. And Ethereum is also the same, with an annual maximum supply of 18 million Ethereum. Besides, Ethereum doesn't have a hard cap, yet. You don't hear people complaining about Ethereum, do you? Now, I know that Ethereum has got a different utility, and that's okay, but so does Dogecoin. The fact that it's built for a reason, which is for tipping and to a greater length for fun, means it has a utility. So that's the technicals behind the Dogecoin token metrics. It's important to add that Billy and his co-founder Jackson Palmer had always wanted Dogecoin to be fun, and to be fun, they thought you gotta have a lot of it, right? And as soon as it was created, in less than 3 hours, it started to be used right away, especially within the Reddit community. And to be honest, I think that's why a lot of us are here too, for the fun of it all, by having a lot of coins in circulation and increasing supply, just like traditional fiat money and the use of real currency. Let's take a closer look at some of the numbers on CoinMarketCap. This is the foremost cryptocurrency aggregator website that lists all of the top cryptocurrencies by market cap. When we take a closer look, we see Bitcoin here at the top with $1.1 trillion market, now at a price of $58,000 per coin. The circulating supply, 18 million, approximately 86% of the total mineable Bitcoins, with a total cap of 21 million. Here's Ethereum at number 2, with a $212 billion market cap. 115 million Ethereum currently in circulation, but it's unlimited. It doesn't grow that fast, but it's unlimited. And there's Cardano at number 4. Now Cardano's at $1.23, and it's going to have 45 billion or thereabout maximum supply of ADAs. Here's Litecoin, down at number 9. Now Litecoin has a circulating supply of 66 million, along with a hard cap of 84 million or so. Finally, we take a scroll down a bit to Dogecoin at number 17. And it's down just under 6 cents again. So it needs to go back up over 6 cents and move to at least up number 14 on the list of the top 20 cryptocurrencies, because that's where it was, and we expect it to go up higher within the next couple of weeks. Now Dogecoin is listed with over 128 billion circulating supply. So thinking that Dogecoin increases in price and gets up to $1 in the next couple of months or years, because of its increasing use as a currency, a growing demand for it, it could theoretically move up here to number 3. At number 3, let's say its circulating supply at that time has increased to 130 billion Dogecoin at $1, which would make a $130 billion market cap. Well, that would make a lot of sense. If you ask me, Bitcoin number 1, that has got the store of value, Ethereum number 2, which is the smart contracts, and then number 3, Dogecoin, and it's used as currency in the circulating supply. But on the other hand, let's look at the circulating supply of Dogecoin at 128 billion. But is that really 128 billion tokens? Well, according to Wikipedia, although the total circulating supply of Dogecoin is 127 billion, of that amount, only 113 billion have been mined. So the circulating supply of Dogecoin is not really 127 billion, but 113. Granted, 113 billion is still a lot of coins. But let's take a quick look at how many are really being used. Head on to bitinfocharts.com for the top 100 richest Dogecoin wallet addresses. Now, we've talked about this before, but there's a link in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. We can see that some of these wallets are really interesting to look at, as they've not been touched in a long time. Some of them with hundreds of millions of Dogecoin having just 1 to a few transactions as far back as 2014, and still hodling till date. Now, where does all this lead up to? Well, at this juncture, it suffices to say that a whole bunch of people are pretty bullish about Dogecoin getting into greater heights, even after its most recent price surge. Still in doubt? Take a look at those wallets and see for yourself. In closing, I'd like to say this is of course not financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. None of what we're going to be communicating on here verbally or in writing should be considered financial advice. Keep in mind that investing in any cryptocurrency is risky. If you do so, then you'd have to be prepared to lose your entire investment, possibly. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Don't forget to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments section below, and I'll respond to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, let's see if we can get this video up to 1,000 likes. Good luck and happy investing.